Log in to the Skoda Connect portal using your email address and password. Select My Points of Interest. Here you can add places of personal interest downloaded from the internet and saved on your computer. Click on Add File. Enter a name, and using the Choose File button, select a folder on your computer to which you save the file. The file must be saved in one of the specified formats. Click on the plus icon to load a picture of your place. Finally, click on the Save button to save the file. The file will be automatically activated and transferred to your car's navigation system, where you can download it. You can download points of interest to your navigation system by pressing Menu, clicking on Connect, and selecting Download. Here, choose My POIs and check the POIs you want to update. Continue by pressing Download and Start. After completing the download, continue by pressing the Nav button and going to Settings, Map, and select categories for POIs. Select the newly added POIs and return back to the navigation system by pressing Back. Your selected POIs will be shown on the map.